Can you use a tankless water heater for radiant heat? Absolutely. Tankless water heaters are increasingly popular for radiant heating systems due to their energy efficiency and on demand heating capabilities. The answer is a definitive yes. These systems offer significant advantages over traditional storage water heaters. Here's a detailed comparison between traditional tank water heaters and tankless models. Notice the key differences in space requirements, hot water capacity, and operating costs. Unlike traditional tank heaters that store and reheat water continuously, tankless models heat water only when needed. This eliminates standby energy losses, which is the key to their efficiency advantage. This on-demand heating translates to real energy savings. Tankless water heaters can provide energy savings of 24 to 34% compared to traditional storage water heaters. Both gas and electric tankless heaters can be used for radiant heating. Gas models generally provide higher flow rates, making them better suited for larger homes, while electric models are ideal for smaller radiant systems. Modern tankless heaters boast advanced features like modulating burners that adjust heat output based on demand, precise temperature control for consistent performance, and smart diagnostics for reliable operation. Here's a real-world example of a professional radiant heating installation featuring a Takagi tankless water heater. Notice the complete system integration with pumps, valves, and controls working together efficiently. Tankless water heaters represent an excellent choice for radiant heating systems, offering energy efficiency, space savings, and reliable on-demand heating performance. When integrating tankless water heaters with radiant heating systems, several compatibility and efficiency factors must be carefully considered to ensure optimal performance. The first major decision is choosing between open-loop and closed-loop system configurations. This choice affects both performance and water quality considerations. In contrast, closed-loop systems use a heat exchanger to separate the potable water from the heating fluid, providing better water quality control and system protection. Efficiency is measured by the Uniform Energy Factor, or UEF rating. For optimal performance, look for models with UEF ratings above 0.95. Modern tankless water heaters can integrate with smart home systems, allowing for precise temperature control, scheduling, and energy monitoring to maximize efficiency. While some experts recommend separate systems for domestic hot water and radiant heating, many homeowners successfully use a single tankless unit for both applications. Leading brands like Rinnai and Takagi are well regarded for their quality and performance in radiant heating applications, offering reliable operation and excellent warranties. Proper installation and sizing are crucial for optimal performance. When correctly installed, tankless water heaters can last over 20 years, making them a long-term investment in home comfort and efficiency. By carefully considering these compatibility and efficiency factors, homeowners can successfully integrate tankless water heaters with radiant heating systems for reliable, efficient, and long-lasting performance.